A very good morning to all my dear students. The subject we are going to do today is English language, and our topic is in, into, on, at, behind, under, beside, above. Now all these words are called as prepositions, and prepositions means when we are doing, it is telling us the position when we are doing for something, what we are doing for something, what someone is doing for something. Clear? Like these sentences are there. Read these sentences, it is saying. The dog is under the table. Where is the dog? Under the table. So it is telling the position of the dog. It's under the table. The children are standing at the bus stop. Where are the children standing? At the bus stop. It is telling the position where the children are standing. The cake is on the plate. Where is the cake? On the plate. It is on the plate. So it is telling the position. The cat is in the box. Where is the cat? It's inside the box. So in. It's telling the position. Then moving on next, the black sheep is standing between the two white sheep. The black sheep is standing where? Between the two white sheep. So it is again telling of the position of the black sheep. The birds flew above me. The birds are flying above this little child. Okay. Above, it is telling the position. The boy jumped into the pool. Where is the boy jumping into the pool? Again, it is telling the position. So under, at, on, in, between, behind and above show us the position of someone or something. Of someone, it is showing the position, or of something. Some more such words are into, over, down, beside. Some other words are also into, over, down and beside. Okay. Now this is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. The man climbed into the boat. He's climbing into the boat. The man can't climb under the boat. No. The mug is on the table. The painting is on the wall. The man is behind the cupboard. The cats are in the room. The boy is sitting under the umbrella. The chef is cooking in the kitchen. The boat is under the bridge. The man stood at the gate. Mother put the pickle in the bottles. It is telling the position of something. Okay. Of this thing for this thing. Like this it is for mother, for bottle. Like that it will be. Is it clear? Moving on next. Lily and Tom fell into the water. The plane flew over the bridge. Someone is knocking on the door. Is that clear? Now this exercise, let's get started. You have to circle the words which show where someone or something is. Where someone or something is. Like the school bag is where? Under the table. The position of the school bag is under the table. The girl is sitting on the stool. The girl is sitting where? On the stool. Naina is in the market. Where is Naina? She is in the market. The girl is hiding behind the curtain. The girl is hiding where? Behind the curtain. So these are all telling the positions. Okay. I am sure this chapter is clear to everyone. All of you will do exercise A. Is that clear? On page number 76. That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.